iPhone 16 series is expected to debut later this year, like most iPhone releases, with leaks and rumors about the upcoming lineup already making the rounds on the web. In a new update, the systematic specifications and possible pricing of the iPhone 16 series have surfaced online. The image offers a brief look at the possible rear design of the upcoming handsets and suggests a major design overhaul with a vertical camera layout. The lineup is tipped to include iPhone 16 SE, iPhone 16 Plus SE, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. The systematics shared by tipsters indicate that the iPhone 16 series will comprise 5 distinct models: iPhone 16 SE, iPhone 16 Plus SE, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This suggests the merger of the iPhone SE product into the iPhone 16 portfolio. The render shows a single pill-shaped rear camera layout for the iPhone 16 SE and iPhone 16 Plus SE with an offset flash reminiscent of the iPhone 10. The vanilla iPhone 16 is seen with a dual rear camera unit. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are seen with triple rear camera setups. All three models appear to have a vertical camera arrangement with pill-shaped camera bumps, seemingly corroborating previous leaks. The current iPhone 15 series features a square-shaped camera bump with horizontally placed sensors. The tipsters has also posted possible pricing of the iPhone 16 series as a comment on 10. The iPhone 16 SE is tipped to cost $699 for the 128GB version, while the iPhone 16 SE Plus could be priced at $799 for the 256GB variant. The 256GB version of the vanilla iPhone 16 could come with a price tag of $699, while the 256GB variant of the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are set to priced at $999 respectively. The iPhone 16 SE is set to feature a 6.1-inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The iPhone 16 Plus SE is likely to get a 6.7-inch display with 60Hz display. Both these models are set to get the dynamic island feature. The regular iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to get 6.3-inch screen with 120Hz refresh rate, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is tipped to pack a larger 6.9-inch screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The iPhone 16 series is expected to go official in September this year. Apple is anticipated to pack an A18 Pro Bionic chip based on a 3nm processor on the Pro models, while the regular iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus could run on a toned-down version of the A17 Pro chip. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.